Hey there Instagrammers, are you confused about whether to set up a creator, business or personal account? Well, you're not alone. With over a billion active users on Instagram, it can be overwhelming to know which account type is best for you. Let's start with the creator account. This type of account is designed for individuals who produce content on a regular basis, such as bloggers, artists or influencers. The creator account offers features like insights, which allows you to see how your content is performing and what your audience likes. You can also add contact information, including an email address or phone number, to make it easier for brands to reach out to you for collaborations. Next up, we have the business account. As the name suggests, this account type is ideal for businesses or brands that want to market themselves on Instagram. Business accounts have access to advanced analytics, including demographic data and engagement metrics, to help you track your performance and make informed decisions about your content. You can also create and run ads directly on Instagram using this account. Last but not the least, we have a personal account. This type of account is perfectly for individuals who use Instagram primarily for personal reasons, such as sharing photos and connecting with friends or families. With a personal account, you have access to all the basic features of Instagram, like the ability to post photos and videos, follow other users, and interact with their content like commenting. So which account type should you use? Well, it ultimately depends on your content and goals. If you're a content creator or influencer, a creator account may be the best option for you. If you're a business owner looking to market your products or services on Instagram, a business account is the best way to go. And if you're simply using Instagram for personal reasons, a personal account is the right choice. So there you have it, folks. Now you know the difference between creator, business and personal accounts on Instagram. Happy gramming and like this video.